Again, roll it into your finger like a sausage shape and place it, and then so see, I'm making the cusp dip here and then the cusp slope, and again I'm coming to the distal proximal box. So just take your time to build the wall, and it will make your filling so much easier afterwards. So I'm just pushing it. See, when you push the ball varnisher into the proximal box, and make sure that you are actually pushing it inside the proximal box, otherwise you'll end up with a bubble in the proximal surface. So just gently but firmly push it into the proximal box. Have made the cuspal height also, push it against the band, and then it does not have to be 100%. You just make it roughly, and then ready to cure.